And if you are in Kashmir, then we can connect face to face, have some kahwa or a noon chai as well. So if you're looking for a job at Cisco, what you need to do is take step number 1, go to jobs.cisco.com. Once you're there, go ahead and look for the job that you're interested in and go ahead and apply for it. Now, let's say you don't want to apply for it, but you want to be referred for it. What you need to do is take step number 2, which is connecting with me on LinkedIn. So get in touch with me, let me know what you're looking for, the job ID and the description, blah, blah, blah. The things, I can check that myself, but I'm not going to refer you right away. I'll have to check your resume and make sure that you're a good fit for that job or not. That takes us to step number 3. Well, taking care of your resume, making sure that you hit the correct keywords in your resume. What do I mean by that? You know, today the filtering is done by the AI usually. So what happens is when you try to apply for a job, the AI goes through your resume and checks for the keywords. But if the keywords for the job are missing, then your resume will be rejected on the very first step. So what you need to do is make sure that, for example, if you're looking for a job in networking in Cisco, what you need to do is make sure that you mention something like CCNA, CCNP. Well, not fake it, obviously. You should have completed it or maybe trained it or whatever, right? You should have that knowledge and skill set to go ahead and apply for it and also mention it in the resume correctly, because if you do not mention all of that, your resume will be rejected. So another important thing is connecting with me on Instagram and joining our Telegram and WhatsApp channel as well. You know, we can connect on a call as well. And if you are in Kashmir, then we can connect face to face, have some kahwa or a noon chai as well. Anything works. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Best of luck. Goodbye.